I am an artist, Alexandr Alyonin. I live in Russia, where TikTok was banned, and YouTube will soon be banned. Please help me create my TikTok account and post my videos, speed drawings. It's hard for me to live in social isolation. I've dedicated my whole life to drawing, and I'm looking for support. After a year of isolation in myself and my job, I work as a street cleaner. I decided to resume creativity, and I am looking for support, friends. I'm so tired of self-destructing myself from the inside, living in the anxiety of loneliness. Because I'm a crazy city artist from a province in Siberia. All my life, I painted from the heart for free for my city of Zhelezhnogorsk, and always alone, and received a tax for it, and now I work as a janitor. I don't know how to properly approach to meet girls and guys. I used to get acquainted, and always ended up in a redneck company that scammed me out of all my money. And now, all over the world, I am looking for good, adequate friends. Although I don't know how to do it. But if you were my friend, I would be very happy. At least I would feel alive. Because when you are always drawing and working alone, it is as if you are not living. The description will contain links to my social networks.